Binary search. In this question, we are given an integer k and a sorted array. Our task is to check if k is present in the array or not using binary search. Let's have a look over the input and output of this question. We are given an integer k and an array of n elements. Our task is to check if k is present in the array or not. Here we can see k is equal to 2 and k is present in the array, so the output is 1. If the k is not present in the array, our output will be -1. Let's see the algorithm to solve this question. First, we will initialize L, that is the first index of the array. Then we will initialize R as the last index of the array. Then we'll find M, that is the middle index. M is equal to L plus R by 2. So in step 1, M is equal to 5. Then we'll compare the value at index M with the search key. In step 1, the value is less than the search key. So we'll eliminate the element in the left side of the middle element and call the function recursively in the right side elements of the middle element. Then in step 2, we can see L is equal to 6 because we have done M plus 1 from step 1. Then the function is called recursively, and in the last step we see the element at index M is equal to search key. So we'll return 1, that is we have found the element. Let's jump into the code. First, we'll have a look at the main function. In the main function, we have returned binary search function. In the binary search function, we have passed array, right index that is n-1, left index that is 0, and the key we have to search that is k. Now, let's come to the binary search function. First, we'll see if r is greater than equal to L. If it is true, we'll come inside it. Then we'll find the middle element using r plus L by 2. Then we'll compare the value at the middle index with the key we have to search. According to that, we'll call the function recursively. If the value at index M matches with the search key, we return 1. And if it's not, at last we return -1.